Hello friends, so today I came with the new topic. Soon I was not available, so I created a new video for everyone that is related to the who is the co-founder of YouTube. So be I think someone knows about the who is the co-founder of YouTube. Someone knows about the co-founder of the YouTube. So I will tell that co-founder of the YouTube is the three engineer. They are working before in PayPal as an engineer. They are working there. So one is Jeff, second was Steve, and third was Javed. So all are engineer in PayPal. They are working there. They are ordinary engineer. Some one are designer, logo designer, and second one is computer engineer. So they are creating informational technology, computer related like IT, whatever the transformation or whatever the technology use. So they are creating on that. And third one is also doing the same thing. So now actually PayPal acquired by the eBay company. That way they left the job. Like it's come from that it's 2005 2004 Utah, like 2004 they are thinking of that how to get a platform where they can transfer their instant video, instant audio, and instant photos. That problem came start with the one party in night. There is a this is the San Francisco. So there is the one party is going on there. All the three-person was there who are the engineer. So they are there. They are enjoying the party and capturing the photo, but they are thinking of that we are capturing the photo, but how can we send to each other instant way? But they are not getting easily how can we explore our photos, videos, and audios, but they are not getting a good way wherever they can send their videos. In that way they are thinking of that we have to think of that how can we find out the way where can we transfer the photos. So they are getting a one platform. On that time one platform was available, that is the Flickr. So they are trying to utilize Flickr, but there is a some problem was there, some install problem. They are trying to mail them, but it's not a instant way to getting a proper way. So that problems come, then all are thinking of that why we can't create a that kind of innovation, so that we are transferring our photos, videos, and audios. Then they start to one company start to working together, and they hire a office, and they are working there lots of time. They are giving since night and morning also they are working there. How can we get the that kind of platform? And they are working on that, create a website, and their first video is by Javed. They create videos and upload on the YouTube. After uploading Javed, everyone knows about the Javed photos, because in front of the elephant he created a photo and upload on the YouTube channel. So everyone knows about the Javed, but nobody knows the like Steve and Chap. Now we are seeing after some time this company, YouTube company, is acquired by the Google, Sundar Pichai. They acquired that company, and so all are banished. Nobody knows that who is the founder of YouTube. They start their journey from as a they are the founder, but they are not they don't have a sufficient money, so they can't survive. And actually they are also getting funding. They are also get funding from another one. I didn't recall of the exact name. They start founding that from funding from there for the server, because that is too much that is required. This for the server you have to be required, like if you want to storage that kind of stuff, so you have to require a server. Without server it's not possible they can sustain. So Google is came, Google company CEO was give the offer to them. They acquired the company and then they are banished. So that is the story of the YouTube, how YouTube come. So like everyone can anyone can do the innovative thing from the problem. Like if you are thinking about the problem, then you can make a solution. For solution you can create some innovation. For innovation you have to think about the problem, what is the problem is that. So that is the way, like you can do any create anything else. So first you have to think creative, you have to think about the problem, what is the problem. If problem you are getting, so you will find out the solution. So like in that way YouTube will find. Then people are nowadays everyone is using for the social media platform. They are creating business over there. They are getting some educational purpose YouTube are using nowadays. Nowadays we can say about this language, everyone is learning that language because of the YouTube. Lots of YouTubers was in the YouTube, lots of YouTuber was in the YouTube. They are creating some videos, audios videos, reading videos. You can create some listen, some stories was there. That is also the helpful for you. So I think YouTube story is very interesting for everyone. If you like this video, so I will come with the new story for everyone. So if you are watching this video, so please like and subscribe. Thank you so much.